Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today I want to tell you about a unique experience maybe. So yesterday evening I had an evening class around 8:30 maybe. So everything was normal at first, and then the class went on as usual. And well, at the time my friend Aya was presenting about rhythm material, and she was explaining very well, and then everyone focused on the front, on the Aya. But suddenly around 10 to 8 maybe, I feel a little shaking. At first I think maybe it's just me, but suddenly other my friend also start to notice, and the building was literally shaking, guys. And then because our position was on the third floor, I feel panic, of course, but fortunately everyone remained calm even though they look scared. And then the outside the building, all the students from other class were gathered, and then it feel chaos, but at the same time safe because we were already outside. And then I see Aya, who was presenting, also look shocked. Imagine you are in the middle of the presentation, and suddenly there is an earthquake. That's unforgettable. And then around 8 p.m., the campus finally decided to send all students over go to home. They said safety is number one, so we all went home quickly than usual. Honestly, it feel weird walking home earlier, but at the same time, I feel grateful, and it was a reminder that safety is more important than anything. Even the finishing the class, even then finishing the class. So yeah, that was my little story about last night class and unexpected earthquake moment. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.